Hello. Today I will show you how to install a new version of kiddions mod menu for GTA 5. Pleasant viewing. Before the installation, you need to create a new empty folder on your desktop. Open your browser and follow the link in the description. After installation, extract the archive in previously created folder. You can see the password on the screen. Open the program as an administrator and follow the steps in the video. After that, you will see gameplay with the menu. Thanks for watching, enjoy.